there are one girl that's and maybe the most beautiful or bad girl in this class. Okay, that is Octavia Manasafi. You can call her Mela or Chimol. Okay, the next is Mora. Yes, the next Mora. You can call her Mora. He is one of our team and she is guest speaker, I think, in this way. Okay, the next is Elzara Bunga Citra. You can call her Elsa, Bunga, or Citra. Up to you. Okay. Then the smallest girl in our team. The smallest in our team. Her name is Ayla Desa. I think if there are abbreviation Al Desa, you can read Ahmad Al Desa. Okay. Then the best man or the honey boy in our team is Muhammad Budi from Ponorogo. I think he cannot open his eyes now because very sleepy. Okay. Before presentation, please prepare your brain, take attention to us, and don't forget take out your pen and paper for writing summary. Okay, are you ready now? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay, I give one request from our team. Our team say, give applause please. You must give applause. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Okay, that's one. Give applause please. What is your spirit? Give applause please. Okay, thanks very much. Okay, the first presentation will be delivered by Kayachima Fauzi. Okay. The first material is analyzing the feature of text newspaper feature sheets. Okay, next. Okay, newspaper contain various information section that can be useful to students as they learn how to manage personal resources. Readers who understand the features and layout of the section of the newspaper will spend less time searching for information and can concentrate on the content. Using this strategy, students will be ongoing to examine and analyze a newspaper and determine how the layout of distinct section will help them to find and use the information thoroughly. You can use this same strategy to deconstruct other types of text, like textbook, magazine, essay, alien model, and more. Okay, for the explanation, the first material. This material explain about newspaper. Okay, before I continue, do you know newspaper?
Yes.
Do you know newspaper?
Yes.
Who know? Yes, please. Who know? Okay, the conclusion you don't know. Newspaper is one of media. One of media that inform us about the news like celebrity, violence, and the other. Okay. In this material, analyzing newspaper, this study about the features like headline, the first page on newspaper, there are headline or the title like this, maybe the picture like this. There are this red cover post, and the other there are big picture and the title maybe big on this. His name is headline in the first page of newspaper. Okay, maybe like that, and this material study about it. Okay, next. Okay, next material is study vocabulary. Students are required to learn on average over 2,000 words in their various subject area. Those who have trouble learning new words will struggle with the increasingly complex text that they encounter in the middle and senior school years. A word is worth word or floating word is the keyword that will appear often in a new unit of study.
Weteng.
Printed on cardstock and tape on print to the wall.
Cah ini kok
Word-
kono mah.
The word wall is usually organized alphabetically. Okay, next. Finding signal words. Writers use signal word
Bongkok.
Written signal word and press also called transition word or content connectors to link ideas and help the readers follow and flow information. Reading between lines, making inference from words that are read or students get inference skill. Students might miss vital information in their file to make appropriate inference. Okay, next. The next title is most or least important ideas and information. Okay. Read the text. Read the text line. May the teacher record exactly the most important and least important ideas and information when you have finished recording to the bottom section of chart and write what you will include the key idea from the whole text. I'm sorry, there are one sponsor maybe.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Sorry.
Jadi saya
Okay, next.
ke Pak Aris
Okay, this
Yeah.
one is maybe most important in the reading skill. Something idea using a concept. Concept is way to visually organize your understanding of information. It is installed in a short beginning with the subject or topic at the top or side of the page, and then pressing into subtopic and details. You can lay out article in the PowerPoint. Okay, maybe I think it's one of the important things. So you need some explanation. Okay, the concept that is if the teacher
Fer, tekan
if the
dulu.
teacher
Aku tak delok sing kuwi, Fer.
explain the general information like maybe reading. Okay, reading. The concept we have to make a concept like reading. Maybe dalam communication or pronoun, etc. Like this. We have to use concept map for the all of material, not just reading, but also text material. Okay, maybe enough from me, and I think that's all. And the next material is still reading strategy, will be delivered by Mila. Please welcome and take out.
Wis kacau kok kita. Tahu ngono ya.
Nowadays, I will discuss about reading to reading gestures or workplace attitude. Reader engage understanding by review what have user reflecting or what have learners asking questions about the significance. Purpose, access different viewpoint or perspective related to ethics in the workplace. Workplace reports. Review reading, skill or tracking mind idea and making inference. For example, that student write provide student may repeat teacher modeling over several lessons of asking interviewing and answer questions.
Coba kita. Akbar metu.
Reading different text from reading informational text making yes. There are making judgment activity level. Informational text from serve as explanation. Okay, explanation. Report, use article, magazine, and interesting. Our way to communicate information are way to communicate about the significant subject, topic, event, or process. Second, reading gramming text or how to read text. grabbing that form, diagram, photograph, drawing, scan, graph, schedule, map, and type. Art intended to communicate information in a concise format and illustrate a wide base of information is related to another profile studied with a approach to reading graphic text. Are also to become active. Become familiar with elements and future programming. Explore a process for reading graphic text using a range of strategy for before learning and after learning. Future support. Provide students with the access organism to guide them and they with a particular text. This may be a series of props to with the of the reading. Tips for reading graphic text. Before reading, set a purpose for reading. Ask yourself why you are reading this particular text. Look over the text to determine why deeper in it and which element are used. Reading literary text. Literary text include art, story, description, essay, biography, dialogue, novel, script, and books. Are written to entertain, provide, instruct, or communicate right idea and viewpoints. Thank you. Next, Amora.
Okay, this good performance from Ella, and we have to do for the reading strategy, and the next strategy is writing strategy, and it will be delivered by Mora. Please look up.
Okay, I want to discuss about writing strategy. First, rapid writing. At the beginning of a writing assignment, students engage with content review, reflect, to set directions for writing letter, essay, and other subject-based assignments. Next. Tips for rapid writing. First, write as fast as you can. Second, no corrections or errors allowed. Third, write until your teacher says stop, don't stop before. Don't leave your pen or pencil from the paper or remove your hand from the computer. If you get stuck, jumpstart your brain by writing the topic title and extending it to a sentence. When your teacher says stop, on and click on the number of words you have written. Be prepared to discuss your topic as writing you have done discuss your topic. Sentence is setting content. Writing is intended to communicate information to the reader. Its purpose include to inform, to explain, to review, to obtain, and to describe. Other purpose convince the reader of a particular viewpoint. This include to request, to persuade, to assess, to recommend, and to entertain. Adding content. This strategy may be used in a number of ways, including writing, brainstorming for a specific question, or writing for reflection learning, blogs, blog journal, etc. And four is webbing, mapping, and more. Strategy for webbing, mapping, and include is clustering, comparing, contrasting, and generalizing, and outlining. Okay, then, thank you.
Okay, this performance from Mora, and please pay attention and prepare your brain again to provide some summary about our delivered. Okay, with the next presentation will be delivered by Elsa.
Okay friends, I'm here. I want to discuss about writing. Okay, the first is revising and editing your ideas. The personal ways refit their writing as their draft out, add, delete, and check and the information. There are specific strategies onto the use to revise their writing. On strategy when use is add, remove, move, and substitute. Next. The revision and editing providing without practice. The student can do it independent as with the development strategies for their output. Reading backwards, one word at a time, a general strategy for being able to see individual or intermediate spatial errors. Reading backwards sentence by sentence will help students identify center and future errors. Finally, reading from the back slowly will help students with for meaning. Two instructions for reading backwards. The first to proper spelling and the second to proper sentence structure, function, grammar and phrasing. The third to proper overall tone the meaning and correct your errors. The way for a purpose using temple. A temple framework is a structure for a writing from the allows students to organize their thought, research, information in order to write the first draft. Writing for a purpose using temples. Beforehand, prepare temple upload the writing assignment are expert. And second, data method for the stats, list or writing. Third, students who work with partners or small groups to describe and engage students are most class following the book. And the last, teacher's oral discussion on the first section.
Okay, this the second part of our presentation or our material. The first part is reading, the next part is writing, and the last part of our presentation is by oral. Okay, please for the presentation, I will listen.
Okay, I will to explain about oral strategies. The first purpose oral strategies encourage students to think about a question, issue, or reading, and then refine their understanding. Start discussion with a partner. And the second, tips and resources.
next material or the last presentation in our group will be delivered by Mawad Budi. Please welcome.
Okay. Although when you got property, you inspire student will reflect on the subject context. Deepen understanding of an issue or topic to clarification and rehearsal with a partner. Develop skill for small group discussion such as listening, actively, disagreeing respectfully, and expressing ideas very fire work. Think fair step. Have students read a selection or prepare a topic, question, or from plan, think, fire, share activity. Monitor student dialogue by
Stop.
listening and listening. Fire, work, think, fair, safe. Have to generate a selection or prepare a topic, question, or prompt for a plan, think, fair, and share activity. Monitor student dialogue by circulating and listening. Positively extend the think, fair, or share with a future partner trait where students work partner and exchange ideas again. Read the chapter or section if the speak, fire, or share is based on information and idea from the reading section. Different class. For partner, the eating issue. Purpose allows students to make personal discussion on various issues. Correct. Correct and exchange an idea in small groups. Facilitate world-class discussion of this idea.
Please give applause for Budi. Okay. Okay. Once more, give applause for Budi. Okay, thank you. Our team have delivered about some strategies like reading strategies, writing strategies, and oral strategies. Okay, the next section, the part of the section with this time is asking question. And in the first section, I will give chance to the group ask question. Please, one ask question. Okay.
40. Your strategy, from all strategies, what is strategies for it? They're simple to implement and effective with notes. We know what we read. Thank you.
Okay, next question. Yes, Penny.
We are from Group F. I'd like to ask you about. I want you to explain to us what is the meaning of concept map clearly.
Okay, thank you very much. Once again, one question. Yes, Mr. Maya.
What is the example from the purpose of this strategy of the
This you please repeat your question, Mr. Maya? Mrs. Maya, please ask your, repeat your question.
What is the example from the topic of this strategy? And the purpose of this strategy is familiarity with the main features of the strategy.
Okay, in the next section, I will give chance to you to ask question about personal question. Please. In this channel, there are 3 questions. Okay, anybody to ask question? Personal question. Anybody to ask question? Maybe Mr. Moko, maybe want to ask question? Okay. Any other? Mrs. Azari? Mrs. Azari? Hello, Mrs. Azari. Hello. Okay. Maybe just this question or that's all. No one to ask personal question, maybe. Okay, I think that's all. And the next step is brainstorming, not intermezzo. Brainstorming. Okay. Everybody, please pay attention. Everybody, please pay attention. Hello. Hi. Hello. Okay, please give applause to Mr. Galang. Okay. One scan. One scan. Cukup. Okay. In the next Wednesday, I think tomorrow or 2 days later, we will get a man about grammar. Okay, so I want give like knowledge to you. Brainstorming is the concept. The main concept of brainstorming is you understand and I understand. Okay. The important thing, you understand what my speech and I understand what you want. So, I will use Indonesian language and maybe Japanese. Okay? So, you sampun paham nih? Aku? Iya, sip. Oke, grammar. Apa yang kamu tahu dengan tenses? Tenses, apa yang kamu tahu? Keterangan? Waktu. Kalau grammar? Oke, Mas Dedi. Apa Mas Dedi? Tata bahasa. Oke. Saya dia mendapat tanggal 5.000 plus bonus makan sotek. Oke, ini ada sebuah game. Game dari sebuah perusahaan kecil yang ternama, cukup terkenal ya. Oke, saya punya satu keyword. She is loving me. Oke, pahami dulu ini. Apa artinya? Yes, point. Are you understand? Yes. Okay, she is loving me. In the tenses, there are 6 forms. Or we will use just 3 forms. Progressive atau continuous ya. continuous, kemudian perfect dan perfect progressive. Oke, untuk dimilih ya, caranya ada semua ya. Dan caranya untuk dimilih si loving ini, kalimat ini harus kalian masukkan ke 3 bentuk ini, bentuk progresif, perfect dan perfect progresif dalam tiga acuan. Yang pertama mantan, kedua pacar, ketiga calon. Oke, kamu tahu simpel pas menggunakan apa? Masa lalu kan? Simpel pas. Berarti masa lalu kita adalah mantan. Kemudian kalau progresif berarti yang masih berlaku kita menerangkan apa yang sekarang terjadi. Berarti pacar. Oke. Kemudian untuk yang future kita menerangkan prediksi yang akan datang atau masa depan kita. Berarti kita menerangkan itu semuanya. The keyword is she is loving me. Artinya dia sedang mencintaiku. Ya. Dalam 3 konteks ini, progresif, perfect, progresif. Berarti kalau dia sedang mencintaiku, kita menggunakan present progresif. Oke, berarti masuk ke pacar. She is loving me. Kemudian kalau mantan, kita menggunakan berarti she has been, she was. Kemudian kalau yang calon pacar juga, she will be loving me. Jika kita tidak menggunakan kata bentuk simpel ya, kita menggunakan bentuk yang enggak simpel. Oke, ada lagi yang mau mencoba menjawab? Saya enggak paham. Bapak-bapak berbahagia, itu belajar grammar untuk hari Rabu. Insya Allah gak remedi dengan kata IBC. Ada lagi? Oke. Nanti tinggal kita mereview aja kemampuan kita ya. Untuk mantan juga bisa selain ini si Ed. Berarti dia telah mencintaiku. Kemudian si has loved me. Berarti dia juga telah mencintaiku. Itu juga putus. Ini ada berapa mantan kalian ada? Mantan ada berapa? 4. Ya. Oke, kemudian yang pacar? Banyak. Ada juga si has been loving me. Artinya ini ada stratanya, ada pasnya. Berarti yang kalau ini masih sekedar singkat aja. Kalau si has been loving me berarti dia suka sungguhan. Untuk kata pemahamannya. Kemudian kalau calon ya. Oke, dari kesekian ini contohnya kita sudah menggunakan 3 acuan ini dalam 3 kategori. Ya. Untuk kategorinya tidak perlu saya jelaskan lagi, insya Allah sudah paham. Kalau belum paham, tanya Mas Fajar. Oke? Siap? Tanya ya. Sudah paham. Oke, berarti sekali lagi saya ulangi, mantan ada berapa? 4. Kalau pacar kalian? 1. Kemudian calon ada berapa? 1. Ada berapa? Ini ada berapa? Terus mantan kalian ada berapa? Mantan kalian 4. Berarti deal ya semuanya. Semua punya mantan 4 mantan, 2 pacar dan 3 calon. Berarti kalau jadi semua berapa jumlahnya? Ya. Jadi semuanya sepakat ya. Azari punya 4 mantan. 4 apa? Dan Alvaro juga punya 2 jari. Punya 3 ekor ayam. Keburu cepet. Oke, ini sekedar untuk review otak kita untuk menghadapi grammar. Jadi kita tidak perlu tolak-tolak, karena kalau tolak-tolak nanti juga akan ketahuan. Kalau ketahuan nanti juga akan kena skor. Dan kalau kena skor ada komanya juga ya. Enggak ada komanya atau maksudnya. Okay, we'll back to question section. Okay, for our team, please give answer.
In this strategy, students can sharing their ideas in class, then choose to a larger group. The discussion work profits practice in speaking, reading,
Okay, from Mrs. Intan, maybe the question will be pen or give time to our team to think it. Okay, for the next question.
Okay, I will answer Penny. Explain about concept math. First, record idea dari heading. Second, see the relationship among idea and distinguish between my idea and supporting idea. Student will remember important detail from the text. Organize information in a memorable and accessible way to help with study.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all from our performance. Please, and I thank you for your nice attention and your nice. There's time to pay attention to our group, and I also ask for you about our mistakes during my team performance. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though